Hello and welcome to the second Maestro video. So in this video it's all about getting it ready for the road and getting it presentable so I can actually drive it about on a daily and post videos and vlogs and stuff about that. So first things first, awful wheel trims coming off because they are absolutely terrible. A bit too much racing pedigree and too much Halfords for me. So yeah, they're coming straight off. Then of course we've got the exhaust. Didn't film much of that, simply slid on, and then I fiddled about with my little 42mm bracket and put that on. So the main issue with the car was the heater matrix in the passenger cabin, which seemed to be leaking all over the passenger footwell. So we then turned the car on, revved it a little bit, and discovered obviously it was peeing out the top plastic pipe. So I then decided, hey, I'm going to sand this down, it'll give it a bit more contact, and then I sanded the wrong one like an idiot because I couldn't see. I've only just realised that actually on this video, so hey, that's just a me thing, whatever. So after this I went to Halfords, dispatched swiftly to Halfords to go get myself some of this brilliant epoxy weld. I've actually held a fuel filler cap on with this on my old car until of course it went flying down the motorway once. Luckily I wasn't driving it. I've still got my first car, absolutely brilliant thing. So we'll have to see how this copes. It held that fuel filler cap on for about 2 years, so let's hope this holds together, because I think it would be quite a disaster if it all burst and then boiled my girlfriend's legs. I need to let the epoxy set for about an hour, so we got the good old jet wash out and snow foamed the car, which was very therapeutic. So enjoy.
Here to shine the rust bubbles.
As you can see, she's coming up quite well. This has to be one of the most satisfying washes I've ever done, because this is such a great piece of industrial design and I really can't wait to drive it about every day. It's going to be brilliant.
I really need to paint these wheels, but I have not got any paint or anywhere to jack the car up. Well, I did, but this will have to do for now to make it look a little bit better. Get all the trim as well. Arrow speeds. There's my road sail. Dunlop Sport SP10. Very nice. Oh, it's not Sport, it's SP10. I think my road sail, I'll be cleaning this all off in a second. My road sail is, that's my arrow speed, another one. Where's my road sail? Oh no, Rain Expert. You know, oh, it's not. I had a road sail on this. These will be getting repainted as well when she's back home.
Decided to use some tyre shine on the black exterior pieces of the car. It works just as good as the bumper shine, especially if you rub it in with the microfiber, which I found.
Oh, I've got to rub it down, and then we will be in business. Look at that! What a car! Looks brilliant. What a gorgeous little thing. Hello, it's time to do the manky interior. So we've got this, which is a bit muddy, this, which is very muddy, this, which is very aged, a dashboard, which is pretty good, and this seat, which looks a bit crap, and also that back, and this, which looks a bit crap. So let's get to it. I love this blue interior. One of my favourite things about the car, especially this lovely dash and the Maestro bit. So let's get to it. So because I've forgotten half my stuff, we've got this interior one cleaner. It's basically like a foam cleaner. There you go. Wow, amazing. This, which is my favourite smell, a new car smell. It smells like a Mercedes. This, which smells like dogs. And then some dashboard cleaner, which I don't know what that is. So let's get to it. See, as I break the end, it doesn't come out in a fan like it's supposed to, so it's a bit crap. Oh, otherwise I'd cover the whole seat and it'd be super satisfying, but sadly we have to cope with what we've got now. Is that the fabric? Yeah, it's the fabric coming to bits. But 57,000 miles and over 30 years, we're doing rather well. That's a bit collapsed, but who's bothered? I certainly ain't. Look at that. It's really nice. It's just that I'm going to go with. But I'm going to do the rear first. Not like anyone's going to sit in it. But I need to do it regardless, or I'll be weirded out when I'm driving around. That looks like it's stained. Nothing the B&M can't fix or the Home Bargains. It's That's why I've got an Austin Maestro L. I'm more of a home bargain sort of person. And maybe Aldi at best. My best days I'll be an Aldi person. Occasionally go to Tesco for a quiche. Yeah, look at that. That is cleaning up nicely. See, that is stain. Looks like oil. Giving it some welly. See what come out. These are looking a lot better than they did before. Except for where I've just kneeled on them and got mud on them. There's the back seats done. That door card. Oh, what? There's a mirror. Hold the phone. It's a vanity mirror. So you can look at yourself. There was our dash and our shine with not that, this. We've given our clock a good spray. Look at that. Clocks and clock. Brilliant. So the world has a question. By the world I just mean me and whoever watches this. Will Tom's shitty repair boil people's legs still? Let us see. Sticks the key in the ignition. Pulls the choke out, I guess, locks it in place like a legend. Waits for the trickle in. Pushes the choke in a bit and locks it because it's a beast. Fuel is apparently none. It is 6:30. And do we have any water? The answer is no, Captain. The answer is no, Captain. The repair has worked. Genius. I am literally a fucking legend. Well, me and Paul are legends. That is not spraying out at all, is it? No. It's too good to be true, champs. It's finished. Maestro. Let's go. Across the yard. The wonderful Maestro. So there we are, it is time to set off soon. The Maestro is now not leaking anymore, not ruining my existence, but look at how beautiful it looks. So I'll see you when I'm driving. Got a new exhaust on, fully painted by the guy that sold me it. You're a legend. Yeah, look at that. I need to clean that because it's probably got like COVID 21 or 22 underneath it. I'm going to put that back on also and put some spare wipes. Yeah, you'll join me in a minute. So we are in the Maestro. It's slightly, apparently it's got a bit of a leak on the front exhaust and it sounds a bit shit, but who cares? It's banging, it's doing it. So we are now driving up a big ass hill in the finest that British Leyland had to offer, or Austin Rover. Let's see if it can actually get up. It's struggling a bit, down in a second. I'll put it in. Come on, mate. Get up! Put it in the wrong gear like a twat. Come on, bro. Get up. I love you. This is the best. As much as I take the mick out of it, look at how nice this dash looks. It looks absolutely intense. And it is such a gorgeous car. That bloody exhaust rattle is really annoying, but we'll sort it out, I guess. It is stellar. I really, really love this thing. It is so cute and a bit depressed. Yeah, it's a bit of rattle, man. So cute, a bit depressed like, but it's what she is. She's a beast, and I really like this car.
first speed bump of its recommissioning. We're on. We're over. There's a ST there. I could beat him in a race. He'd get smacked if he tried me. Yeah. So you'll join us later on in the trip when we, after having a pizza or something, go home. Oh, look at it. What a trooper. It's so nice, doesn't it? It looks so shiny. So here we are, we made it at the end of our trip. Looking pretty in the light, turned the wheel, done some stuff. And there we go, she is back. So thank you for watching and keep watching, subscribe for more.